respective community. Another elected Batang Maynila leaders of the respective barangays. I'm happy and proud and honored to be here today for you as a young generations or individuals na nagbubuti sa kanyang tungkulin na sinipahan sa taong bayan. At manatili sana ganito lagi. I hope I can see you every year. I'm happy also to see others. Greatness is the great and today is also a day wherein other individuals in the city of Manila excel from their field of undertaking to recognize special mention also to our taxpayers in the city. Tonight it will happen in the But I'm really proud of your SK Federation and Youth Bureau. Continue to guide and help, extend, collaborate with one another, especially in very challenging times. Nowadays, Diyos ko, limasin ko yata ang kunyatan ngayon, at saka away at sabunutan. But I encourage each and every one of you to refrain in as much as you can, if you can control your emotion and reacting immediately on things that we really don't know kung ano ang punot dulo. Because leaders, take a look deeply of what is really happening and analyze it properly, ASAP, as soon as possible, then make judgment. Hindi yung, uy, kaaway natin yan, huwag mong batiin yan. Bala yung away bata, away candy. Huwag mong bigyan ng candy yan. Pag, I think, umaasa sa atin ng taong bayan. Lalo na kayo, mga halal kayo ng ating mga kababayan. They look up to you. And what they should be seeing is a great example of Batang Maynila. Sa edukasyon, sa paglilingkod, bilang tao, bilang mamamayan, bilang bahagi ng pamayan. Kaysa yung makikisali tayo sa mga bagay na wala namang idudulot na kabutihan sa ating mga nasasakupan. Kaya, in as much as you can, alam ko mapusok pa ang damdamin natin, and I've been there. But the best thing that I can share to you is based on experience to restrain or refrain from pag hindi natin masyadong alam, mag-focus na lang tayo kung saan tayo magaling. O in this case, kinilala kayo ng pamahalaan so dahil magaling kayong maglingkod sa ating mga nasasakupan. And we continue to do so. At may awa ang Diyos, ano man ang nagiging pagsubok ng siyudad ng Maynila sa fiscal situation, pumanatag kayo, hindi talaga ako magpapahinga hanggang sa ma-cure, ma-heal yung ating fiscal situation. And I think I might see you on June 24, no? You attend June 24 because that is our obligation to report to the people of Manila. And that includes you. That everyone will be properly guided on what we have received upon assumption of office and what we have done for the past 365 days. or 1 year, or what you call state of the city. And it's a very important information so that you will know what transpired, what happened, and what we did together, and what we're going to do in the next 365 days para sa ating mamamayan. But for now, I'm happy and proud to each and every one of you. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. So rest assured, if there is something that I can send it to you, to your parents and fellow young, energetic, brilliant achievers, and your community is pumanatag kayo, ano't anuman ang mangyari, hindi tayo makikisali sa mga kaguluhang nagaganap. Ang focus ko is pangalagaan ang kapakanan ng 2 milyong bibig, because that is my obligation. The 2 million Manileños. No matter what. May mga ilang politikong hindi tayo maintindihan sa pagpasya natin ng ganon, pero sigurado ako mas mangingibabaw sa puso ko na pangalagaan yung sinumpang kong taong bayan na nagluklok sa atin pare-pareho, sasakupan natin. Kaya pipilitin kong palagi na maging masinop, mainam, at episyenteng gastahin ang anumang uri ng resources meron ang lungsod. Maliit man ito, but garantisado sa maliit na resources nito, malaking porsyento nito ay nakatuon, nagagastahin at pupuhunanan ng inyong pamalang lungsod ang MBN. MBN stands for Minimum Basic Needs. Minimum Basic Needs speaks of education, healthcare, housing, and jobs. That's it. Yung mga nakikita nyong mga palamuti, or what you call open green space, or pagiging maliwalas, at pagbibigay ng kapanatagan, ito yung mga umami. Yung Ajinomoto. Pampasarap sa tunay na rekado. Because from what I believe, and I may be wrong, but for the meantime, as your mayor, I would continue to believe addressing MBN, or the minimum basic needs, is yung pagpapataas ng antas ng pamumuhay ng tao. Yun, quality of life, quality of living. If a family has a roof, and a father and a mother has an opportunity to work, the children goes to properly equipped, modern facility, a public education facility. At pag nagkasakit, ang buong pamilya may mamatatakbuhang maayos na health center or hospital na yung mga proper na equipo or equipment, tools. And we will continue to utilize and extend extra steps to those who are in need, especially if it is a life and death situation of any human being across mayaman, middle class, mahirap. Sa Maynila, pantay-pantay. Walang bakla, walang tomboy, walang babae, walang lalaki. Lahat ay tinitingnang pantay ng inyong pamahalang lungsod. Kaya yun naman ang aking, kung meron kayong maiuuwing tagubilin ngayong araw na ito. Para sa inyong magulang at sa kapwa ninyong kabataan. Iuwi nyo na yan. Dahil dyan tayo lagi mag-focus. No? Tao muna. Rest assured, and I'm happy, and I hope someday you'll be part of the elders group of elected officials like regular barangay kagawad or chairman maybe another, I hope, because gusto ko pa kayo makasama ng 9 years. We're gonna stay here and fix Manila. But can I do it alone on my own? I'll be honest. I cannot. I really cannot. Sila Leno, sila Ibay, and the group, and others. With all humility, I'm asking each and every one of you, help me. We have to come together because together we can make Manila great again. Gandang araw, congratulations, pagpalain nawa kayo ng kung may kapal. Manila, God first. Pwede ba ako magpa-picture?